Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur (IPFM) President Ashang Kasar has raised deep concern over the mass influx of illegal immigrants in the state. He was speaking on the sidelines of releasing a book titled The Implosion at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. Speaking further, Ashang Kasar pointed out the problems induced by the surge of illegal immigrants, stating that the failure to identify such people has posed serious threat to the indigenous people by creating several issues and immense hardships. He added that the book was released to portray these harsh realities and the true historical accounts of the arrival of illegal immigrants in the state, after making an in-depth research on several sources, including the government orders and notices and Manipur archives. Social activist Philim Rohan, Imphal Naga Forum co-convener Athon Gangmai, President of Manipur Naga Youth Organization Thotringam Kaitang, President of Imagi Meira Th Sujata, along with other eminent persons, graced the book release function.
Silent invasion, silent occupation, silent threat, silent war se tamna Manipur lakpa. Adugi tamak masigi cause se karino im kanda mapandagi changlapa mitop singsina masina factors jo oirame aduna akhoi leihoriba indigenous aduga mi mayamna masigi maram se phajana phapani khangninga habigi tamakta 1920 da leiramba document adugumba mayam adu Manipur archive tigi atotopa sources tigi laure hairaga punamaktu punsalaga akhoi Manipura refugees in Smaina Lerami and Smaina Changlai, Aduga, Kampopi, the Sada his Kamaina Kuntakiba, Kamai Lakiba, Haviki Maranda, Iraga, Akona Mayam do Krak Homjale Hiraga, and that Akona governor the memorandum Pishan Kiba, Akwagi illegal immigrants identified Tobio, extend Tobio, Haibakumba, the Delhi, the Akona, any cookie tribe as a Lotopio Haibagi, National Commission for ST, the Haikiba, Punamak Asigi. Mayam ase compile tawraga collect tawrai hairaga puthok chaba adumba tokumaini aduna the implosion haina akoina title se thongmani mase Indigenous People Forum Manipur na publish tawmani.